Okay, so in this video, as I mentioned, we're going to look at a new feature in the Amazon affiliate program called the native shopping ads. So as I mentioned in the previous video, it is not really something new, it's definitely something improved. Previously, if you log into your Amazon Associates account, right next to links and banners, you will see a link for widgets. And that had many different confusing types of widgets, and what Amazon has done, it has centralized everything, improved on it, and now they're calling it native shopping ads. So you can seamlessly integrate highly relevant recommendations in a responsive ad unit to earn more. So what that means is, imagine your blog. Okay, you may want to create a link from individual blog posts to individual product pages, and that's still, in my opinion, one of the best ways to do it. But you may also want an easy way to have relevant products show up automatically based on the content of your post or page. And that's basically what native shopping ads do. Okay, they find relevant products to display for you based on the content, and then actually it's automatically updated. All you have to do is paste a single line of code into your WordPress blog or website or blogger or whatever it is they're using. Okay, so relevant recommendations: show the most relevant products to your visitors, place it at the end of content or within your content to enhance your editorial. It's responsive. Okay, so I guess this is the major improvement here, responsive for mobile. The previous widgets did not really do well in mobile, but this is responsive for great experience on all types of devices, smartphones, tablets, and desktop, easy to implement. So you have an overview here, and you have recommendation ads. Okay, exactly like what you see here. You have search ads that allow people to search for products, like you can see in the widget here, and you can create your own custom ads. So let's go with a basic thing called recommendation ads. Okay, place native advertising ads in product article pages to automatically display relevant product recommendations from Amazon based on your page content, as I said, and visiting users. That's very important. Okay, so Amazon looks at your page content, but also who the user is. If the user is currently logged into the Amazon account when they visit your page, Amazon will take into account the page content, but it may also show them products that they have added to their shopping cart or products that they have visited before in Amazon. Okay, it's mobile responsive, blah blah blah. So let's create recommendation ads. And the most obvious thing that you see here is the preview of all the ads that are shown in this widget or in the native shopping ads. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make the displayed products as relevant as possible. Okay, and in order to do that, okay, find the category that is most relevant. Okay, so I can select books, I can edit, okay, and I can add another category, arts and crafts and sewing, for example. I can add that into my product display unit. Okay, and then we go to fallbacks. Okay, Amazon, if a search keyword is not chosen as a fallback, the ad unit will be hidden if no relevant recommendations are found on that page. Okay, so if you do not enter a keyword here and Amazon cannot find a relevant product, which I don't think will happen unless you have chosen a very obscure niche with very few products to sell. Amazon has hundreds of thousands of products to sell and you can promote. So let's just enter it anyway. Okay, so let's click on Harry Potter. Alright, so basically I'm just going to remove arts and crafts. Okay, I'm just going to choose books, and let me choose DVDs. Okay, alright, so basically what happens here is Amazon will detect the content of my site, and let's say my site is about Harry Potter. I'm a diehard Harry Potter fan. So it already knows the content of my page, but I'm telling Amazon to show only books and DVDs related to Harry Potter. Okay, so if there's a Harry Potter collectible coin, then it will not be included in the ads here. Now, if Amazon can't find any products to promote, then it will fall back to the keyword Harry Potter, and it may go out of the category books and DVDs just to display ads. Now, if you click on advanced setting, okay, you can show interest-based ads, and if you mouse over, personalized or targeted ads. So these are targeted to the user. Okay, if Amazon can identify who the user is, they may show interest-based ads. You can turn that off. Now, ad size, you can choose responsive or custom size. You don't need to mess with the advanced setting for now. Okay, so you can click here for mobile preview. Okay, all you see is basically pictures of shoes because you have not placed the code into your website yet. So click on close, and now this is the code that you can copy and paste into your website. Again, this is a JavaScript code, so you should not put it in a WordPress blog post or page or a blogger page, okay, because the part here that you see, okay, the initial part here, script type equals to text / JavaScript, this will be stripped out by the text editor, and some other parts will be stripped out as well. So you can put it only in the template or JavaScript enabled, HTML enabled places like the WordPress widgets. Okay, so if you have a WordPress theme that supports multiple widget locations, then make full use of that. Create a new widget location to display products under the content of your blog post. As I mentioned in the previous videos, okay, the area right below the content before the comments, that's probably where you'd want to put this. Okay, so if you can't do it through widgets, then you'll have to hard code it into the theme or template of the theme that you are using. Okay, so now let's go back to the top and let's click on search ads. And this is a preview of the search ads widget. Okay, so basically you can show products just like the other version that I showed you before, but now there is a search option here, so people can actually search for products, of course products from Amazon. So all you have to do, this is much easier. You just need to enter the default keyword. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now since you've entered the default keyword, it actually shows you Harry Potter stuff, and you can see here the default keyword is Harry Potter. Of course, your visitors can always enter their own keyword and search for it. So let's try something. Okay, alright, so when they click on search, they will go to Amazon with the keyword in lost and the category all, and basically they can find all products related to Lost, the TV series. So as per the earlier widget, you have to copy this and put into either a widget enabled area in your WordPress blog. In Blogspot, it will be under gadgets. You have to choose text and JavaScript, create a new gadget and put it into there. Or you have to hard code this into the template for your WordPress theme. So why should you use the new native shopping ads? The main thing here is that it will identify the content on your page, so you can easily show more relevant stuff. Okay, because let's say I have a blog on online marketing, so one page or one post on their blog may talk about YouTube marketing, and another one may talk about, let's say, audio recording or video recording, or mention a specific camera like a Canon EOS 70D. Now, by placing this code, okay, Amazon will automatically detect that that particular blog post is talking about Canon EOS 70D. Although the overall theme of my blog is online marketing, content marketing, but that particular blog post mentions Canon and the camera, so it will display relevant products that are related to that blog post. In this case, you will display the Canon EOS 70D and other components or other add-ons to the Canon DSLR camera, or even competing cameras over here. So you only have to paste this code in once, and then you can, it's more like a set and forget thing. Put it there and it will show relevant ads forever and ever, and hopefully that can help you to make more commissions as well. Now, as I mentioned, I don't like banners and I don't like static widgets, static ads that appear exactly the same on every single page, but this is different. Okay, this can actually help you to convert much better, because you will see different ads on different blog posts, and since it's relevant to the content of the blog post, it is actually a very highly targeted way of promoting affiliate products from Amazon. So that's all for this video, and let's get on with the rest of the course where I'll talk about other affiliate networks.